Hello everyone and welcome back to another top 5 video. And yes, today's top 5 video is on keyboard tips and tricks to be used on the iPad. What's pretty cool though is that whether you have an iOS 7, 6 or 5, these tips are pretty much all the same. Yes, maybe the visuals are a little bit different, but the steps are the same. So let me tell you which 5 tips or tricks I'm going to show you. So the first one's going to be on how to create text shortcuts, how to turn cap locks on, how to type special characters, how to add emoticons to your text, and how to split the iPad's keyboard. So on to the first one, which is how to create text shortcuts. First, you got to unlock the iPad and then find the settings output. Once you're there, you're going to tap in General. And then you're going to scroll down, tap Keyboard. And then you're going to tap Add New Shortcut. Once you're there, you're going to type in the phrase, which is basically the description or the word of what the phrase is going to be. Then you're going to type in shortcut, which is the short code for what you want the abbreviation to be. When you're done, you press Save. Then it's going to move you to the text editor or any app that accepts text input. And you are going to type in your shortcut, that's placed over there. And below you will see the expanded version. You hit spacebar to basically input and put that into effect. This next tip is on how to turn your cap locks on. So once again, you're going to go back to an app that has text input, can be any app. I want you to double tap on the shift key. Okay, right there. And when you do so, what's going to happen is the shift key is going to have a line beneath it. It's going to split up a little bit. And this basically means that any text you type in is going to be all in caps. This next tip is on how to type special characters. So here we go back again to the text editor, our favorite place, any app. And I want you to press and hold down on the letter that you want to have a character for. And as you can see, when doing so, you'll see a little pop-up that shows different characters and what you can choose from. Simply select one, select the character that you want, and that's what's going to appear on the text editor. Okay, and moving on to the fourth tip, which is how to add emoticons to your text. We're back to the home screen. I want you to tap Settings. On the left-hand side, you're going to click General. Then you're going to click Keyboard, but you're going to do it twice. So Keyboard and then Keyboard. And then once you get to the screen, click Add New Keyboard. When you do that, I want you to find the emoji in that list. Then click on that. When you do so, it turns into a TextIM application, as you see. And at the bottom, on the left-hand side, I want you to click on the globe icon. And when you do so, it will make it switch and display all the emoticons. You basically click on any icon you want and it will appear. It's as simple as that, folks. And we are here, finally, the last tip of the day on how to split the iPad's keyboard. Yes, back to our favorite place, which is the text editor app, of course. On the bottom right hand side corner, you will see the keyboard icon. And I want you to press on it and I want you to hold it. By doing so, it's going to bring up a little pop-up and I want you to click on Split. When you do that, ta-da, it's going to split the keyboard in half. This might make it easier for you to type. If you want to bring it back to full mode, simply hold on and drag it back down and it's done.